So welcome. Today we have something new. We have something new and something small. If you want to know what it is, stay tuned. Finally, after a long time, I wasn't making videos because my DeepSpace Seeker 5 crashed and I needed to get some parts. While I was ordering the parts, while they came and everything, it took very long time to arrive. But finally, my parts is here. So I fixed it. If you can see there on the wall, is one of those is Seeker 5, which is finally fixed, ready to fly. And plus, we have new family member from Deep Space. This time it's DeepSpace Seeker3. It's a little brother of that one. So 3-inch freestyle, sort of freestyle dead cat version of bigger one. So let's see. Let's open it. So let's see what is in a box. Okay. So it comes in a small box with 04 Pro ExpressLRS system. So when you open the box, oh my God, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. So let's take it out. Oh, so that would be a drone. It's so small. It's so small. Anyway, so that would be the drone. In a box, you will get, of course, camera mounts, some screws, some M2 screws, of course, the props, which one is going on the drone, 2 sets of them. Deep Space, good choice too, because I've seen some other bind and fly drones which coming just with one, so in case if you crash, so you have 2. So 2 props, and of course some stickers. Oh, this time we don't have the small ones, because the Seeker 5 is coming with the very small stickers. This time is just slightly bigger stickers. So as you can see, 04 Pro air unit, nice cardboard with showing which directions. So basically this is props out. Yeah, this is props out. And I like it again how they attached actual drone with the straps to cardboard. So these ones we don't need at the moment, so we can close it. This one we'll put it on the side. So here is Deep Space Seeker3, 3-inch freestyle sort of dead cat version. Let's open it. I like it. I love it. The first one I got was oh my God, it's so tiny. If my hand, oh my God, this is my first 3-inch. So, but it looks amazing with 04 Air Unit Pro with GPS in front as usual, as Deep Space is doing, and some very tiny motors. I'm not sure if and ExpressLRS antenna behind. So this one we don't need. So let's see what we have here. So let's remove. They have 2 straps. They attached antennas on the side. And let's see, stick in the antennas over here. Somehow, here we go. I'm not sure if the antennas will be holding, how antennas will be holding, but we'll see them. Here we go. So antennas is in. There you can see ExpressLRS receiver, 04 air unit, stack, of course the aluminum front guards and GPS on top. Amazing, this thing looks amazing. And as you see, it's a sort of dead cat version. Today we'll be testing out with 850 batteries to see how it is. So it's the same as all deep space drones. They are coming with the GPS in front, antennas, and plus from the previous ones, now I switched to ExpressLRS. So that's mean that I have Radio Master crash, which after a long period of thinking, and because not originally I was flying with the mode 4. If you know what is mode 4, that means that it's basically the same as mode 2 but mirror on opposite side, so the throttle is on the right side and the yaw and the roll and pitch is on left. But as I decided to switch to ExpressLRS, I decided that I will relearn everything from zero. So that means that I was flying mode 4 for literally 1.5 years. And then I was deciding, okay, enough, I will try to relearn on mode 2 because most of the tutorials and the tricks and the guides or whatsoever is based on that. So, and I was a little bit bored to switch the controllers back to that, so I relearned, and now will be my first flight with DeepSpace Seeker3 and plus with ExpressLRS. So I have no idea what is the range, what is the, as I assume the penetration should be better than DJI, I assume, I'm not sure, but anyway, we will see. So this is the first flight of this little beast to see if it can fly the same as its oldest brother, Seeker 5-inch. So we'll get it up and we'll see how it flies and how is the control and everything. And by the way, I will not get in specifics what flight controller, all that you can find on their website. Just visit DeepSpace FPV, I will leave the link down below, and check out the all specs and everything. Everything is there in English, so not a problem. I will not be getting into numbers and all that. If someone wants to know the numbers, they know where to find it. Anyway, let's get it up and let's start to see, reviewing how it is. Is it flying the same good as Seeker 5, or it's better, or we'll see. It's slightly windy, so, and we'll see the flight time as well, so let's get to it. Telemetry recovered. This is the first time my controller is actually speaking with me. I mean, anyway, I love it, I love it. Anyway, let's get it up, and Omanamo, there is some flying shit. I'm not sure who the fuck are they. They are just flying around me, so it's not so that I'm scared of mosquitoes or whatsoever, but these things is big. I think they left. Anyway, let's power on the goggles. DJI. This will be the first time I actually will fly with actual FPV controller. I mean, I don't know how. Huh? Anyway, I'm not sure how how to start to record with this thing. Wait a second. Here we go. Because on DJI controller there was a button. So it's on. Okay, the first thing is way more quieter than of course. Okay. Wow. Okay, when it's up in the air, it's a little bit, you can hear it, but not so much as a 5-inch, logically. I don't know, I think something is wrong with the camera. Oh, okay, it feels like more or less the same as 5-inch, but I think something is wrong with the camera. Here we go. If honestly, I have no idea how to tell is the signal good or no. But it flies amazing. Okay, a little bit prop wash, but so little. I will say that DeepSpace again done it. Again, the second drone of theirs, and it flies amazing. Oh, I think this one have even less prop wash than 5-inch. Amazing. Okay, flight time wise, I mean, okay, this battery was already a little bit used before, but now I'm like 2 minutes something, so but from one side, knowing that it's 3-inch and small battery, I mean, amazing. Control is amazing, and I love it. I love it. And of course, as it's smaller, of course, it's not feeling like you are flying. It's not feeling like you are flying here you go. That was one battery. That was one battery. That was fast. Considering a lot of things, I mean, this is the first flight after more or less more than a month break, till I was waiting for it to come, and completely first flight with actual drone with proper FPV controller, and plus with opposite side as I was flying for 1.5 years. I mean, I enjoyed it. It was amazing. And this thing is holding up amazingly. And as usual, DeepSpace, the build quality and everything is amazing. The ExpressLRS antenna is behind, 04 unit, GPS in front. So can't wait for additional batteries and to go somewhere and actually start to practice the freestyle with this one, because it sort of feels like, how to say, feels like, okay, it's exactly the same camera as as 5-inch, but in the same time, the way it flies and how good it's locked on everything, single move, and I love it. I love it. So if you have a chance to get this one, I will hopefully, anyway, there will be a link down below of their website, so you can take a look and grab some from there. But highly recommended as my first 3-inch drone. I love it. I love the way he's flying. The sound is not so annoying as because I think it's more or less the same size as, let's say, DJI Neo. Okay, but DJI Neo have this unpleasant sound like a huge mosquito, but this one don't have it. It's how, yeah, you can hear it, but in the same time it's not so that it's bothering you. So amazing. If you have a chance to get one, get one. DeepSpace Seeker 3, 3-inch drone, amazing, love it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have some more questions about the DeepSpace products, as this is the second one I have, and I will tell you a secret, I have another one as well, but that a little bit later. So if you have any questions, leave down below. If you have it, please share your experience with it and your thoughts about it. And yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, bye.